6:51 on TMJ4 News today. Elder abuse and neglect complaints in Milwaukee County are up during COVID. The isolation of older adults necessary to keep them healthy, but it's also proving to be a problem.
The I-Team's Kristen Byrne talked with the Attorney General about what can be done to protect our elders.
Elder abuse reports in Wisconsin have nearly tripled in 17 years, from 3,200 cases in 2001 to nearly 9,000 in 2018.
These can be devastating crimes for people. Somebody's parent or grandparent or spouse or sibling could be subject to physical abuse or neglect when they have medical conditions.
Wisconsin's Attorney General Josh Kaul is well aware of the disturbing data and says the subject of elder abuse remains a priority, especially during a pandemic when seniors are so isolated.
What solutions does the state have, or do you have, to fix this problem that just seems to be getting worse?
There are a number of things that Wisconsinites can do to help.
His office, along with the Greater Wisconsin Agency on Aging Resources, launched a hotline and website back in May where people can report the abuse. He says raising awareness is part of the solution.
Make sure that you're reaching out to your neighbors, your friends, your family members who may be potential victims of elder abuse. Talk to them about what's going on in their lives, and if there are concerns that arise, make sure to take steps.
One of those steps is to get help from your county's Department on Aging.
But in talking with these counties, for example, Waukesha's Aging and Disability Resource Center, we learned state funding for elder abuse and neglect programs hasn't increased in more than a decade. With the aging population increasing, the money isn't keeping up. What about the funding aspect? And talking with some of these Department on Aging offices, they're saying they're just underfunded. They don't have enough funds to do the services that they need to be doing in our community. What do you say to that?
That is a real challenge, and it's going to become an increasing challenge as the population continues to age in Wisconsin. What's important is that I think we work to prevent these cases from happening before they do.
Attorney General Kaul says in the last legislative session, lawmakers proposed bills aimed to address elder abuse in Wisconsin. The hope is they'll be considered yet again. One in particular would help prevent financial exploitation of the elderly. It would allow employees at financial institutions to delay a transaction if they suspect fraud. For the I-Team, I'm Kristen Byrne.